Hi everyone, Anna Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today we are at paper perk number 79. I have something really fun for you today. We are going to make Inchies and Twinchies, and the reason that they have like additions is because this is the paper perk and the Ko-fi supporters extra page all in one. So these are for the Ko-fi supporters extra page, and they're going to get an extra video. So they're going to get an exclusive video using these as well, but making something different. We're going to make interactive paper clips. So I'm just going to cut everything and then be back to show you how we're going to make today's paper perk freebie project, which is Inchies and Twinchies. So Inchies and Twinchies are basically embellishments that are 2-inch size and 1-inch size, and from that's the only rule. The rest is completely up to you. You can add anything that you want to them. You can add layers, you can add papers, you can add fabric, you can add embellishments, you can add whatever you want. The sky is the limit. So I have made these steampunk designs in 2 sizes, and also have some little cogwheels. They're all 1 inch. So it will be easy to punch them out with a 1-inch punch, and that will save you time cutting around circles and so on. So, and I also like to use foam tape for extra dimension that makes it really fun. I think I'm also going to add some metal embellishments. I actually have, I'm going to show you, these are my small metal embellishments. So I have much larger boxes with the larger pieces, so maybe we'll use some of these. I've collected them through many years, and everything here is metal, not necessarily steampunk, but it's really fun. I like to just go rummage, like this key. There's a steampunk heart here. We can use all kinds of basically junk, rusty, beautiful junk that we can use. Even something like this, like it's from a keychain. Anything, any part will do. Screws, etc. Okay, so let's move these aside. Move these aside. And what I want to do is have my ink, and I'm going to layer some, tear some, cut some, and of course we need to ink all the edges because I don't like that white showing. So even if the paper itself is dark and you won't see the inking, you will see it on the side, and that is why I ink everything. So instead of me going on about inking, I'm going to speed things up, and then you won't have to wait. Okay, so now that I have, of course you can print them as many times as you want. I'm going to make 2 of each. So, oh, and again, the idea is that if it's a 1-inch square, you don't want to make it bigger than a 1-inch square. So inches are supposed to stay 1 inch, Twinchies are supposed to stay 2 inches, and that's that. So I'm going to cut this in half. They don't have to be too elaborate. I'm just going to use this instead. On one hand, they can be so for this one, for example, I can add a little tiny clock with the big one. We're going to set that aside to dry. Let's do another one. Remember what I said about tearing? If you want the white to show, you tear it towards you. If you don't want the white to show, you tear it away from you. So, depends on what look you're looking for. Okay. So again here, I want to cut this in half. I'll cut this, you know what? I'll cut this in quarter and put this in the corner. When you're making inchies, you're working with in a very small space. So you have to use very small things. And let's do this one. So if you don't know how much of the shape you want to use, then you just add it on and then cut around it. Actually, the best way to start is to start with the big ones and then use the leftovers for the inchies. But it's okay. Let's see if we can find something small to add. Here, a washer is always a good thing to add. It is small enough. Okay. Let's wait until that is dry too. Now let's make a few big ones. The big ones, you can incorporate the smaller ones. So here you can have this. We have this part of a cogwheel, part of a watch. You can create a little collage. With this metal cogwheel that we have. You can play around. You can add this cogwheel too. This one will go on the bottom here. Wait until it's dry to make sure that we don't cut it when we don't need to. Let's see if I can find another tiny little cogwheel. I actually have a bunch of cogwheels somewhere else. I'll just leave it like this. because I don't want to waste your time while I'm looking. Let's do this. I really like this key. Just gonna use that one. You have to wait when you add metal things, you have to wait until everything is dry, of course, because they make everything kind of heavy. And when you layer things or add items, it's always a really good idea to work in clusters. That means that things are not apart, they are layered, slightly overlapping. So they're not suspended in midair. Okay, this is dry enough to turn and cut. You can even add it here. So this is maximizing, maybe we'll use this. So it's like a collage of cogwheels. Can cut this out as well. So basically we have pretty Inchies and Twinchies. Aren't they really cute? Really love those. So I really hope that you like this idea. Sorry about that. That was my glue falling. And that you will give it a try. And oh, I still have to show you what our Ko-fi supporters are making in their exclusive video. So these are the double-sided interactive hidden paper clips we did within the supporters video, exclusive video. This is how it can be on this side, can be on this side, like this. This is our Twinchies and Inchies. So thank you very much for joining me. I really hope you like this paper perk. Grab yours in the Facebook group and make all of these and much more. So thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.